Hey everybody, so I have another haul today. Some of my Amazon, what do they call it, subscribe and save has come in. A lot of stuff's coming in delayed, and then a nuts.com order I made, it's come in. But I wanted to mention a few things first. There are some sales on Amazon for the Augason farms, and I will put some links down below of some things I found. They do have the smaller packages of eggs for cheaper, but I also found Judee's brand. I've not tried that brand. So for the same weight, hers or theirs are even less. So I will put links to those down below. And then I wanted to mention a lot of farmers are having to plow under their fields. So that's not good. I know here in Texas, I think in Kansas, several states are culling and selling the cattle. So you'll see meat prices probably drop. And I would take advantage. Mitzi's wanting to play with one of the dogs. Take advantage of any of those sales, and if you have the freezer space, stock up your freezer, or if you're a canner, get some meat in jars, because by next year I would expect the meat prices will be skyrocketing. I think we have an economic crisis on our hands. By the time anybody even says the word recession, we'll be in a depression. I think we're really already there. And then, people aren't seeing shortages in a lot of areas. They'll say, oh, we're fine. But there are countries out there, already people are dying of starvation. The Red Dragon has already purchased most of everything for years out, so there's that issue. And they're going after Amish farmers. And there's riots and protests happening now in Bangladesh. So there's Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Panama, all these places, and nobody's mentioning it. So there's a lot going on, and it's all involving economics and our food supply, so to speak. So please stock up. Just do what you can to make sure you and the people you care about are taken care of. So we will get started, and I got a 2-pack of the hamburger helper. I paid $2 and I think 36 cents for that. I got which is this, a gallon of coconut oil. This was $14. And then these, I believe I got on eBay. I got 20 packages of the Knorr cup of soup. I got 10 of the vegetable soup. And I got 10 of the hot and sour. And I think these were like $8. So of all places, you can find some of the darndest things on eBay. That's originally where I found freeze-dry wholesalers. I got the nighttime cold and flu. This is basically like NyQuil, the Amazon brand, and everybody's running out of the cough syrups and stuff. So if your family's prone to cold and flu season issues, I would go out and get what you need for that now. I got some melatonin. This was really cheap. I think this was like $5. And it's the fast dissolve strawberry flavor Calm Sleep. They have their melatonin on sale, so if you have trouble sleeping like I do, you might want to get some melatonin. Their smoked almonds are pretty cheap. These were $6 and change, so I got these because my mom's requesting more of the smoked almond brittle. These were $4 and change, and they go in the back tank of your toilet, and it's supposed to make it to where you don't get rings and stuff, so we'll see. Make sure you're getting your cleaning supplies. I got a box of 120 quart bags, and everything is usually cheaper on their subscribe and save, so you can get the one order and then cancel. I got the gallon 120 bags, and I got 30 of the multi-purpose trash bags. I got another bottle of the Happy Belly vegetable oil. And I got 6 packages of the Cheez-It Snapped crackers. These are the sour cream and onion flavor. So if you like crackers and snacks and things like that, you might want to stock up a little bit on those, because they're getting very expensive and hard to find. Freeze-dry wholesalers had a deal to buy 2 packages of pork chops and get a package of freeze-dried potatoes for free. So I got that. Here's my potatoes and my second package of pork chops. And before I could tell you guys about that, they were sold out. And then from nuts.com, I found that per pound, their freeze-dried fruit is cheaper than buying the number 10 cans. So you can either open these are sealed really well, so, but if you wanted to, you could open them and store them in Mylar. So these are blueberries. Oh, freeze-dried cherries, sorry. These are freeze-dried cherries. These are freeze-dried sliced bananas, and I wanted these so I could make banana pudding. And then I got chopped freeze-dried bananas, and I got these so I can make banana bread, because the dehydrated bananas don't rehydrate to where you can do anything to them. And the freeze-dry wholesalers, theirs are not freeze-dried. They're dehydrated. They need to specify that. These are some pitted dates. And these are freeze-dried strawberries. I got some hazelnuts and some chocolate-covered raisins. So that is my haul from nuts.com. And always look in the sales sections when you go directly to the websites. And then I got a 12-pack of cream of celery soup, which I just want to have cream soups on hand if I have to start making casseroles and things like that. So I purchase usually my freeze-dried products separately instead of the pre-made meals, and that way I can make my recipes the way I want them. And then last but not least, I got the Solomo Dark Roast 100 coffee pods for the Keurig. And stock up on your coffee. So next month I'll be getting coffee, regular coffee and freeze-dried coffee and things like that. So that is my haul. I will put the sale links down below. If you start seeing meat on sale, load up, can it, freeze it, whatever you can do, just load up. Go in with family, whatever, and stock up on meat. And I think they're going to price us out of food. You know, we have other countries buying it all up, so just do what you can. Stock up as much as you can. If you can get to a year, that would be fabulous. And you all stay safe. You stay healthy. It's cooled off here, so my plants are perking up. So, and I saved the seeds from the cantaloupe. I wanted to mention that as well. and I have some other cantaloupes growing out there. So save your seeds if you have a garden, and if you don't have seeds and you don't have a garden, when my garden is finished, I will be saving all my seed, and I will let you all know, and I will give away some seeds to those that need them if you'd like. And when I hit 100 more subscribers, 125, I will be doing another cookbook giveaway. There's a version 2 to the book that I gave away last time. So, and I have envelopes now to ship them in. So anyways, you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.